Hey Sparks, what's up? I have to show you this beautiful vehicle. I was able to actually get a vehicle through Capital One's Navigator, and guys, it was so super easy. Having credit does mean you get to live this awesome life. I love what Brandon Weaver talks about, living an awesome life. So let me show you this beautiful vehicle. Hold on. So here is this beautiful vehicle. Okay, this is a series. Now this ain't the one I bought. This is actually a 540i, and if this thing ain't the prettiest little thing, it is beautiful. Listen to it, listen. Let's see, not lock it. Oh, maybe I didn't lock it. Listen, is that not beautiful? Let me show you the inside. Let me show you the inside of this. It is gorgeous. Look at this. Look. Oh, welcome. Now, if it's mine, it would say, welcome, Montina, beautiful girl. And so then when you go to start it, let me show you what's neat. Look at this. Now, you can't see it because it's flashing. Look, the door is open, it showed me. And it's literally flashing, but it'll show you when you're driving how fast you're going. Look here, show you the vehicle door open. Look at this. Look at this. You can control the radio right here. So it moves it all right here. I mean, this, look at the leather. Woo! Lord, look at this. Look. Woo! This car is so beautiful, make you want to make love to it. No, not in it, to it. But I want to show you how, now again, let me show you the outside. Let me turn it off. Let me walk you around. It's beautiful. Look at that seat moving up. So let me show you. And I'm going to talk to you about how I was able to get, now I'm not getting this one. Actually, I'm showing you this one because mine isn't ready yet. I paid for it and purchased it. Thank you. This is a courtesy of United BMW of Gwinnett. But this, look at this right here. So I was able to get this vehicle from using Capital One Navigator. And I used it because I didn't have to actually have my credit run at several different dealers, and I could control the process. So let me show you how I was able to control the process. All right, y'all, so let's get into the dashboard. So to get here, what you're going to do is go to capitalone.com/auto-financing, and you'll have new and used auto financing, get pre-qualified. It's not going to show me because I'm already pre-qualified and I'm signed in, but you can search cars, you can finance the cars, get help. It is a soft pull on your credit, which means it is not going to affect your credit score, and it's either going to say yes or no, you're pre-qualified. The time when they ran my actual credit was when I actually went to the dealership. Okay, so I was able to go in. Now, what I did is because I knew I wanted to get a BMW, I actually went to BMW's certified pre-owned. So see here, it's the inventory code. But the certified pre-owned, it extends the manufacturer's warranty and it's unlimited miles for BMW certified pre-owned vehicles. So I knew I wanted a certified pre-owned vehicle, and I kind of knew the price range that I wanted. And so what I did is I took the VINs and I searched the inventory. Now, when you go into the dashboard with Capital One, see, it has some of the ones that I saved. And I'm going to show you my car when I get it. I'm not going to tell you which one yet. But it even tells you, hey, $353 a month. 2016 BMW 3 Series, 5.63%. And that's if you put like $1,000 down. This one is 48,000 miles. But because it's still in 2016, it's within the 5 years of the manufacturer's warranty. So I have a warranty until 2021 on the car that I chose. And again, you can look here, the miles. But again, certified pre-owned. So I did certified pre-owned. So you go here to find cars once you're in your dashboard. And again, you get pre-qualified. I was pre-qualified through September, and then I was like, do I want one now? Do I want one later? You can wait until November. You can wait until December. Do what's going to work for you. So you can base it on make and model, or you can base it on a monthly payment. And so I went to make a model. I was shopping Bentleys, Maseratis. All right, so we can search used, and you can pick the family. Let's go see what they got in Bentleys. All models, and then what I'm going to do is search 500 miles, and I'm just going to put in a zip code. Okay, and then view results based on 60-month term. Okay, and you have all kind of filters. Look at this. This is actually so much fun. Okay, so you can actually come on here and say, oh, I want a baller car. I want to do a Bentley. Okay, you can go use, new, no minimums, no maximums. I mean, I'm not trying to be funny, but I was looking like you can get a Bentley for $40,000. Okay, look at these Bentleys that are 44,000, 67,000 miles, 2009 Bentley. I mean, some people really act like they out here doing stuff. Okay, so you can go based on the mileage, the year. Let's say you say, you know what, I want to go in here and I want a Porsche. And I actually thought about a Porsche and kind of just, only reason I didn't, my one friend was like, it's not that many people that can work on Porsche. So I said, I've already had a BMW. I'll probably do a Porsche in the next 2 to 3 years once I run this one that I have with the BMW family. So Porsche, you could say, wow, here's my car payment. You said, well, I don't want an $800 a month car payment. That's okay. Let's go here and let's put your price in. Okay, your max price. And then there was a filter here I thought you could do for, I thought you could do it for the monthly payment. But let's say your max price on this is $50,000. Okay. So again, it's going to show you some here filtered, and you go up here and sort it on lowest price. So this is, to me, a fantastic way to car shop. I'm already in the Capital One family. There is a family of credit cards that you want. I already have 2 credit cards. I've never been late, so I knew I was in the family. So I wanted to stay in the Capital One family. And the best part about being in the family with Capital One is, if I didn't want a BMW, I wanted instead to go to Mercedes, I wanted to go to Ford, I wanted to go to GM, I could literally take my pre-qualification letter with me. So let me show you. There's nothing valid here or proprietary because I'm already pre-approved, okay? I already got my car. Where's my pre-approval letter? Let me go to my favorite car, Save Searches, and I can print it out. So I'm walking into the dealer with an offer already. So here's an offer I can have. Now, again, remember, I wanted a certified pre-owned. Okay, so it gives you the monthly payment, everything breaking down, tax title lessons, no down payment if I don't want it. And literally you print it and you just go straight to the dealer, driver's license, proof of insurance. You can add the VIN to your insurance. That's it. I mean, it really is that easy. You could explore the dealers. They have how it works. They have their frequently asked questions. It's good for about 30 days. Excuse me, but then like I said, if you decide I don't want one now, I want one later, go back in another 30 days. Capital One is crushing it with this. This made my entire experience going to get my BMW so super easy. And like I said, I was looking at, different cars. They have Carvana in here. Let's go with the monthly payment. Let's just say, you don't want anything over $400 a month. So what's my preferred payment? I don't want anything over $100 a week. Okay, so now do I have a specific body type in mind? I'm going to do, let's go convertible. Let's dream, y'all. Let's dream. All right, let's go with the convertible. What we going to get? What we going to get? Ooh, get your Ford Mustang. Ooh, look at that Mercedes-Benz. That's what I'm telling you. You got to dream. Mercedes-Benz, $350 a month. Beautiful red color. Okay, I need to be in car sales, all right? $372 a month. Look at this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Are you freaking kidding me? An E-Class? So this one right here is the SLK 300. That's cute. The Ford Mustang. So again, this is a Fiat. It just gives you an opportunity to dream. And I don't think we dream enough. I just really don't think we dream enough. So I just want to encourage you to dream and get in here. Again, get pre-qualified. You don't have to pay exorbitant amounts for interest, 30% interest and all that. That stuff's foolish. Go in here and see if you pre-qualify. Get into the Capital One family. I really believe this is one of the cards you want to start off with and if you're young, start off with them, build a good relationship, never be late because they have a lot of products coming out. And Capital One also is just taking over. Walmart credit card is also taking over with Capital One. So they are doing a phenomenal job right now. So get into that Capital One family and build up that credit. All right, y'all. So I actually just got done with my walk a little bit ago. I had to show y'all that beautiful vehicle. But there is a simple way to do things. And I'm telling you, I liked using that Capital One process because I went in with a pre-approval. I didn't have to worry about my bank. And now I'm building a greater relationship with Capital One because that's the bank that I already deal with. So as always, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope that you're enjoying these videos, but I had to make this one quickly. And I'm pushing out content more often, so hopefully that works. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Oh wait, look at this beautiful key. Tell you everything about this vehicle is beautiful. All right, see you in the next video. Peace, y'all.